day 3. I'm so excited. I'm actually sticking to this, and right now Adam is taking a nap, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of anything that I need to do in my computer. So right now I'm like trying to upgrade my iCloud and do a couple of other things online, and then when he wakes up, we're gonna go ahead and feed him, do some tummy time, and also do a walkthrough of the house with the guys that are working here because they're actually almost done.
We heard of angels up on high while building.
Look at this guy. So I have this little skip hop play mat thing, and what I did is that I put one interlaced with the other one because I want him to, you know, actually be able to reach them and play with them. And I just got him that Elmo. How cute. So I'm just here watching some videos, just kind of spending some time with him while I play some stuff in the background. But I do like to spend a lot of time with this little cutie. Hey! Okay, he really wants to eat it. He's always trying to eat everything. And oh my god, guys, it is so gloomy outside. And it's like really raining, as you can see. He loves these binkies, and I have them in like all kinds of different colors. Yay, so we're starting to get our living room back and covered all of the floors, and we'll be moving all the furniture back. Thank God. I'm just excited that we can put our tree up again. So this is where I have decided to put the tree up. So we're gonna take the piano away. Probably put it in the bonus room. That's not the junk room. Okay, so remember how I told you guys that it was raining? It's raining. Look, everything is wet. The entire floor is wet. Oh my god. Everything is wet. So I'm not gonna go out there. But what I'm gonna do is order from Target a couple of things. So let's see. I paid for like the ship membership, I think it is called. So I'm gonna go ahead and order some stuff. Okay, so for lunch I am going to have some turkey slices and some rice wafers. These are actually really good, and I am going to try for the first time these peaches and cream protein shake. I am trying to keep it on the low fat, low carb recently, since we have been eating lots of yummy food during the holidays. So yeah, and these rice wafers are the gluten-free ones with poppy seed. They're actually really good.
While building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow.
Alright guys, today has been such a long day already. As you can see, it's still light out, but it's been such a long day. So this is what I'm wearing. My pajama pants and like a tank top. And then I put this on because it's kind of chilly outside. So We have the guys here still working in our house. They're kind of wrapping up and finishing up. So this clothes that you see here was actually folded on top of here and all organized, but they were doing some work in the bathroom today, so I guess that was a better place for them to put them. They're actually really nice guys, so I think they forgot that they left it all there, and I feel bad. And they were also working in here, so everything is kind of like a mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up. So I wanted to mention, yesterday when I was at Nordstrom, I was looking at the electric face scrubber cleansing thingies, and I don't know what they're called, but I don't know if it's worth it because, you know, I already buy this all the time. You can't see it from the size, but it has like a little suction cup in the back, and I think it works perfectly fine. I don't see the big difference in between the electric one and this one, but if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I am pretty crazy about putting things on my face that have bacteria, and since this is silicone, I think it's perfect. So I'm not really into the brushes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cleaned up everything that was in the tub, put it where it goes, and put the little flowers up. Yeah. Now I am going to take care of this area right here. It's a little messy, and I'm also going to wash his bottles.
Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
Okay, so this is what the bathroom looks like at the end after I picked up everything. I'm so glad I took care of this today. Okay, so the room is all organized in the bathroom. I'm waiting for my Target delivery to get here. Look who just had a bath. Are you my little elephant? Yeah. Yeah. My little elephant. Yeah. I'm going to be putting this on him, and what are you doing? He's at the point where he wants to eat everything. It's crazy. So this is what he's gonna be wearing tonight. Look at how cute. And yeah, this is the end of our night. Oh, Papash, all ready for bed. Okay guys, so that is all for today. I am going to go to bed, get ready to go to bed, and baby's already sleeping. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you please would subscribe to my page, and that way you can get all the alerts for all my new videos.